Hi kids! Today we're gonna make a bird feeder that you can put in your yard to bring birds around and watch them eat.
But preferably not in my yard.
That's fine. You're gonna need a couple of things. You need popsicle sticks, something to color your popsicle sticks. We're using paint with a paintbrush, and you'll need some glue. We're using hot glue, but you can only do that if you have help from an adult. Let's get started. Step 1 is to take 3 popsicles and make 3 sides of a square. Watch how we do it. Put a little dot of glue on each side of your popsicle stick. Then put them together. Great. Now we're gonna flip our popsicles over and start putting more popsicles along the base until it's done. Watch how we do this part too. There! Now you can let this dry and start again after it's done. While our base is drying, we need to do that 2 more times for our roof. Let's go ahead and do that now with some more popsicle sticks. Okay, that one's done. Now we just have to make one more. Now let those dry and we'll get ready for the next step. Now that all of our pieces are dry, take your base and put the flat side down on your working space. We're gonna add more popsicle sticks so it can hold our bird seed. You can make it as high as you want and go ahead and follow along with us. All right, now we're gonna let that part dry and we'll move on to make the pillars for our roof.
Now you need to make 4 pillars out of 4 popsicle sticks to support your roof. Bebo, show them how it's done.
You got it, follow me. There, 4 pillars done. Next, we're gonna put them on our base. Now we're gonna use a hot glue gun, so make sure you have an adult helping you. We have our 4 pillars, and we have our base all nice and dry. So we have to glue our pillars to our base. Follow along with us. Now we need to glue our roof pieces together. It doesn't matter what angle you use as long as it's wide enough to fit on the pillars. You can do them like this or like that. And remember, you need help to use the hot glue gun. And there we have it. Our roof is glued together. Now, we just have to put the roof and the base together, and we're almost done. We need to put some glue on all 4 pillars and put our roof on there. Let's do that now. And there you have it. There's only one last piece to go on our bird feeder, and that's the bird perch. Go ahead and put a little bit of glue on a popsicle stick, some on the top, and some on the bottom. Then, pick an open spot from your base and push it right in. Like that. Now, birds can fly on there to get to where the bird seat is. The last step is to paint it. And I have a special helper that's gonna help us paint our bird feeder today. Now, our perch is all dry and we're ready to paint. We've got green, blue, and yellow. And if you want, you can use a little paintbrush to paint each popsicle stick a different color, but we have our special guest, and we're gonna use a big paintbrush. Meet Kai. He's gonna help us paint our bird feeder. Come on over, Kai.
She didn't put that much yellow.
Oh, that's plenty of paint. Which color do you want to start with first, Kai?
Blue.
Blue? Okay. Get some blue paint on your paintbrush. And go ahead and help us paint our bird feeder. And there you have it. Our bird feeder is painted, and all we have to do now is put some bird seed in there and hang it up for all the birds. Did you have fun? We hope so. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And always remember, stay curious. Bye.